Okay, so you guys know how obsessed I am with customizing my tech. My iPad, my iPhone, even my MacBook. But this year, the biggest change to my setup hasn't been a gadget. It's been a browser. Yes, my browser. I know that sounds dramatic, but hear me out. I'm always on the go, and honestly, I feel like my brain has a million tabs open, and the only thing keeping me sane and organized is my browser setup. And today I'm showing you what's on my M4 MacBook Pro. My favorite apps, my aesthetic setup, and of course, the browser that changed it all. And I'm gonna show you guys how I actually made it. Let's get into it. So the browser I'm talking about is called Shift. It's basically my little secret weapon that keeps me organized and productive as someone who's always on the go. It keeps everything in one place and makes my workflow really streamlined, so I thought I'd share this with you guys because I know you're gonna love it as much as I do. I'm partnering with Shift for this video, but I'm so excited to share this with you guys because it is something that has improved my workflow so much. Now, my browser used to stress me out. With so much going on, so many tabs, there was no organization in place until I downloaded Shift. It actually feels minimal, organized, and dare I say, aesthetic. And I'm not kidding, I used to live in tab chaos. I would have 30 tabs open, and anytime I'd show one of my friends my laptop, they would be like, "Kat, like, what are you doing, girl? Why is there so much going on?" I knew I needed to fix that for myself because I needed to be more productive and not have all these tabs all over the place because it was truly stressing me out. Now my browser feels like my desk, which is very tidy and neat. And that means that my brain is tidy and clutter-free as well. And that has made such an improvement to my life, especially when I'm working in different places, different cities all the time. There's no more tab chaos. So I actually built my own custom browser template inside of Shift called The Mode by Kat Mogus. Stay tuned because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get my custom browser template as well. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, why I customized it to look the way that it does, and give you a mini tutorial on how to customize it too. So let's take a look. As you guys can see, it looks a little different than a traditional browser, but I made it exactly how I think you guys are going to love it, and this is how I've been using it. I'm obsessed. So I put the search bar on the left right here. It feels like it's out of the way, like a little secret shortcut, and it kind of reminds me of the Spotlight search on my MacBook Pro, which I love. On the top bar here, I only kept the most important controls. You see we have refresh and download. This opens up all my apps, and we also have the quick settings as well. Less distraction equals more focus. And then on the right, we have my different spaces for different modes and times during my day, and the apps associated with those spaces. I always glance to the right for like widgets and notifications, so it just makes sense for me to put that there, and it feels different. So I basically gave my browser a glow up, and it matches my personality. I mean, it's pink, my whole office is pink, it's clean, it's beautiful, but most importantly, I get work done. I get work done. My favorite part of my Shift browser is definitely the different modes. So I curated 4 different modes: play, grind, unwind, and cat mode. Now, I love just having different modes throughout my day because if I want to have fun and relax on my laptop, I click on play mode. If I gotta get work done and not get distracted by fun things like shopping on Amazon, I will click on my grind mode. And then at the end of the day, when I want to relax, or if I need a moment to find some peace and zen in my day, I will click on unwind. Let's go through them. So my play mode has Instagram, Amazon, TikTok, booking.com, because you guys know I'm always like traveling, going on trips, so booking.com is in my play mode. YouTube for watching YouTube videos and just enjoying. Spotify, of course, for listening to music. I'm listening to the new Sabrina Carpenter album, of course. And also for listening to podcasts. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my podcast or checked it out, it's called Future Obsession. So yeah, I like listening to it as well. And then Uber Eats, of course. You know, I'm always traveling to different cities, so I have my favorite orders and have them sent to my hotel there. So when I'm working or filming, I got my food. Yesterday, I just ordered Phil's coffee in San Francisco, and it's so good. I wish we had that here in Toronto. And then, of course, we have our Netflix. It is September, so Gilmore Girls is defrosting, and I'm going to be rewatching Gilmore Girls as I always do every single fall. If you guys have any Netflix recommendations for me for my play mode when I can just enjoy and relax, let me know. Now on to our grind mode. Now, something that's different about the grind mode is I actually have Chat GPT on the top bar for like a quick click on that, ask chat something, and it really helps me be more productive because I don't have to open another tab. I just click right there and I got my Chat GPT. Then for my apps, we got Google Docs, Canva. I am a Canva girly through and through. I love using it to make my YouTube thumbnails. So I actually made this thumbnail on Canva in my grind mode. Then we got Bill.com, we got Zoom there, my Gmail, Google Translate, Google Calendar, and Google Drive. I like having Google Translate there because I'm always in new cities or countries, so it's fun to just have the little translate feature there. Plus, I love learning new words in new languages when I travel so that I can like order a coffee in that language or just be more, I don't know, into it and be able to say a few words here and there. And now for unwind mode, you will see there are some overlaps in my apps, but you know, you use apps for different reasons. So we have our Google Calendar because I am a planner. If you haven't already seen or been able to tell, I'm very organized and I like writing things down in lists, in calendars, so everything is there. Then we have my Spotify. This is where I'll listen to more of like music that I like to unwind to, like the new Justin Bieber Swag 2 album. That's a good unwind vibes music, or just like lo-fi beats. We also have ChatGPT because not only do I use ChatGPT for work, I use it to, I don't know, unwind. There's so many different ways that I'm using LLMs to help me be productive in my grind mode, help me be more creative, and also unwind, and it can be someone to talk to, you know what I mean? Then we have the Calm app. I don't know about you guys, but this is an app I have had downloaded for years. Like since I was in university, I always had the Calm app. It's great to have just for a peaceful moment in the middle of the day when you're stressing out or your email inbox is going a little crazy. Get the Calm app, chill out, you know, vibe with it, do some easy breathing exercises, read some affirmations, and you're good to go. Stay positive, right? I also have the Harvard Business Review in my unwind mode. This seems like it could be in my grind mode or my play mode, but I have it in my unwind because in my like unwind calm times when I'm like laying in bed or, you know, trying to unwind on an airplane, I like reading articles and staying up to date with new stuff. So that's there. And then we have Notion. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know that I am a Notion girly. I have so many different tabs in my Notion, but for the unwind section, I like having my Notion there to look at my goal planning or, you know, month by month progress. And I like using my Notion to plan that and my year ahead. And I also put a lot of creative ideas into my Notion. So if you guys want to see more of that, let me know in the comments because I'd love to share with you guys. Yeah, that's everything in my unwind category. I feel like if I put more, it wouldn't be a calm space, but I have the perfect apps that help me to enjoy my days and be more productive. And now finally, the cat mode. I switch between these modes all of the time during my day. It keeps me like focused and so I don't become too overwhelmed. You know what I mean? Like if I'm working, I'm working. If I'm going to relax and unwind, I'm going to relax and unwind. I like having separate spots, separate spaces for those things so that I can really refuel or grind when I need to grind. One thing I love about Shift is how insanely customizable it is. Most browsers force you to have that one size fits all thing, but I love having control and being able to customize everything how I like it. You can actually start with one of their templates depending on how you like to work and then totally make it customized to you. You can actually like drag and drop apps, move your toolbar, rearrange your navigation, even shift where your search bar goes. So basically you get to build a browser that works the way you want it to work. Now I'm going to give you guys a mini tutorial on how I built the browser so you guys can learn how to customize it because it is so easy and simple. So you can actually start with your own template or choose mine, of course, and you can go through bars. So you have all these different options, or you can make a custom bar. It's so easy to just drag and drop things in like this if you want. Drop it in, right? And let's take it back. You can move things around. You can add in extensions, whatever you like, and it's easy to just swipe back and put them as you were. We can add in bookmarks up here as well. Like however you guys want to design it, it's so easy to just swipe things around, and honestly, it's so much fun. I spent way too much time doing this, but I'm obsessed, okay? Now for apps, we can have as many apps. Like look at all the options, come on. There's a billion options to choose from. So let's find, like here's Instagram, okay? You can put your account name, your custom URL, so it's logged in. You change the colors, you can add the app, right? And you can slide them wherever you want them to go. So we can change the order, right? So we're adding things right here to my play space, which is so cool and so easy to use. We can also add in a separator here to add more space between things. We can put the sync right here, whatever you want. It's very easy to move things around. So as you can see, we have our play mode, and when you click through the different apps, you just have them all logged in. I just logged out, so it's easier. Grind mode, all of the different options that ever we want. If we want to have our Canva logged in, Google Translate, everything we need is going to be right here. Unwind, same thing. Whatever app you want, you click on it. So quick and easy. And this is my cat mode. And we have our 5 apps. You can also change the colors if you'd like, but mine is pink. You can even change between light and dark mode, but I like having mine as system settings so it changes automatically. So say you tried something like this and you didn't like it, you can just press the back button, so it's very easy to customize and change anything that you've done. And if you want to add another app like the Apple Calendar, you can easily bring it back and forth and put it up here so that it's very useful for you. I also love using my Shift browser when I get home on my iMac. Everything on my desk is always clean and clear, and now my desktop browser finally is as well. Now, as a creator, my brain is always spinning with 100 ideas at once. But Shift makes my workspace feel less chaotic, and I'm very happy for that. It's always clean, minimal, and ready for me. There's no more tab overload going on in my brain. And honestly, the calm energy helps me get more work done. So here's the fun part. You can actually download my setup. Yes, the one that I created. The mode by Cat Mogus is available for you. So when you download it, you get the cat mode with 5 apps already installed that I picked for you guys. Instagram, Canva, Calm, Gmail, and Notion. Basically my everyday essentials. So if you want to be organized like me and have your browser look aesthetic to be productive and also have some time to unwind, click the link in the description so you guys can download my Shift browser today. So yeah, that's what's on my M4 MacBook Pro. That is my secret sauce to keep everything clean, minimal, aesthetic, and productive. This has honestly been the biggest change to my productivity this year, and I don't think I can go back to a regular normal browser. I'll leave the link below so you guys can check out my cat mode and match with me. Once you see how good this browser looks and how more efficient it makes you, you're never gonna go back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you again, Shift, for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!